Hey there, Honors Algebra 2. Today is Friday, March 20th. Little update here real quick. Just a couple things to discuss. We got the quiz today on 4.6 and 4.9 that has 12 questions in it. It'll be worth 24 points. So make sure you get that submitted. That is the last grade of quarter 3. And I'll be working to get the last couple things I've got to put in for quarter 3 as well. So that way next week, you know, whatever makeup work that you do need to do to get caught up. Again, those who are looking to do, I know there's a couple with like quiz, there's a quiz and a test that a couple of y'all had to make up. And so I'll have something in Study Island next week for those things. And also those who are looking to do remediation, I will also have something available come Monday for that. So be looking in your emails if that is the case for you. Remember, remediation is up to a 70% on those quizzes or tests. What would help me is if you would email me any quiz or test that you're looking to do remediation for at this point. Obviously, I know quiz 3 is still, or not, test 3 is still to be graded, and I'll have that in tomorrow for y'all. Other things, what we got from Superintendent Robbins, Dr. Robbins, yesterday said that in their conference call they are looking to make learning the key of what's going on, still with the assessments, but obviously the focus is getting what we can in this time, not, again, like I mentioned in a previous video, not necessarily getting to the end of where we would normally get. Again, trying to get as far as we can, but understanding that this is a completely different ballgame than had we been out like 2 days and we come back from like a snowstorm or something. The other thing that was in there was noting about the buildings and lunches. So those of you who are looking to get lunches, they will that says the offices will be on a 4-day work week at this point, and so all offices will be closed on Friday. And then also food will continue to get delivered Monday through Friday, but they might be changing that to do a double delivery on Thursday if they're going to close all the buildings on Friday. They are still looking in that. So that's the updates from the district. Updates from the state. If you watch the press conference today, again, I would recommend that you're watching these press conferences from the governor's office. Because important information does come out from that, and some of the questions that Superintendent Spearman does answer in those press conferences. Just understanding the situation in our state right now and in our area. Again, Kershaw County being the hot zone of cases being confirmed. And so again, be cautious, be aware, but it's not a fearful time. Again, you know, everything that they're telling you to do. You know, wash your hands, social distancing, not going out and doing all those things, right? Stay home, right? Do what you gotta do. I do want to say though, closing out this video today, I did have 7 of y'all come into the Zoom chat at 1 o'clock yesterday. And so again, if you'd like to come in there as kind of like a little quiz review before you take this quiz, again, that'll be available starting at 1 o'clock today for that. Again, you can come on in, we can talk about it, go over questions that you might have. Obviously, I'm not going to answer questions directly that are on the quiz, but if you have questions from either the 4.6 or the 4.9 or something else that you're looking at, we can go over those. My plan is to do office hours next week. We're supposed to hold office hours every day, but obviously I'm not going to be giving you stuff next week, but again, those office hours will be available if you need to talk to me concerning anything that you might be making up next week. So there you have it. Y'all have a great weekend. Stay safe. Stay home. See y'all then.